what is your name? Ha? Okay, Hasya. Okay, first kita baca doa. Okay, baca. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, kat sini. Okay, first tahu tak apa kita nak belajar apa hari ni? Tak tahu? Okay, cikgu tunjuk satu video dulu, boleh? Tengok video ni sambil nyanyi sama-sama, boleh? Okay. Ingat tak apa tadi? Kita belajar apa? Numbers. Okay. Ini numbers. 1. Ni 2. This 3. This 4. Ni 5. Okay, ni 6. Ni
7.
Pandai. 8. Ni 9. Last 10. Yeay, tepuk tangan. Okey. Kalau teacher tunjuk secara random, boleh? Boleh. Okey. Asya ambil secara random. Cuba ambil salah satu. Okay, numbers. Okay, numbers 10. 10 ada berapa? Kalau 1, 1. Kalau 10, 10. Okay, pandai. Okay. Okay, next. teacher ada 2 animals. What is this?
Cow.
Cow. Okay, this?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. When I said I want 2 cat, so you pick a this or this. I want cat. This or this. Okay, good job. Okay. Kalau teacher, contoh, teacher ambil 1 nombor. Teacher ambil nombor 2. Teacher cakap, I want 2 cat. So, Hasya kena ambil 2 cat. 1, 2. Understand? Faham? Okay. Okay. Sekali lagi I want 1 cat. Okay, 1 cat. Okay, good job. Okay, next. I want 3 cow.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3. 3. Okay, good job. Okay, next. I want 4 cow and 2 cat. 4 cow, 2 cat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 cat.
1, 2.
Okay, good job. Yay! That's all for today. Thank you, Hasya. Bye.